Hi guys, someone asked me how to run in Toca Boca like this. So we just gonna try. You're gonna get tons of buildings, tons of home, tons with accessories. Yep. Then you're just gonna go and Toca Boca. Yep. You're gonna go and Toca Boca. It's gonna long. Yeah, you need to get the green like this. You're gonna get the green like this.
Toca Boca.
Then Toca Boca. Let's gonna skip. Now we skip it. So you get the tons of world like this. Yeah. Okay, just gonna wait maybe. Yeah, you get a tons of home and like this. Yeah, you get a tons like this. So we're gonna go on second floor like this. No, not that. Wait, we're gonna skip this. We're back on the world. Just gonna go on second floor. Second floor. Second floor. Now second floor. Not the recorder. Yeah, this is the girl. Just record. Just find the yeah, you're gonna just go on the girls. Just get the rain. Get the rain one like this. Just gonna wait. Maybe I gonna skip it. So I skipped that. So go on your house. My house, the real my house is the. Maybe let's gonna build like right here. Already built. This is already building. Let's choose this one maybe, but it's almost Christmas. It looks like a Christmas day. Okay. Okay. So we got the new here. So it's just gonna go. Maybe it's never have. Okay. Maybe just we gotta. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go on outside. Wow. Get the girl and just go under this. Then these little thing and that. Just gonna be taboo. Click that. Look, it's raining. Just gonna be taboo like that and she never can see it. So this is gonna work. So bye. I hope it works, guys. And like and subscribe, and you're gonna be proud of me. I can give you something if you're gonna follow. Bye. Bye everyone. I hope you like